In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a video on Vimeo without changing the link. This is a handy feature for those moments when you need to update content but want to keep the original URL, ensuring that any links you've shared remain valid. Let's dive into the process. First and foremost, you'll need to make sure that your new video is ready for upload. Ensure that the video is properly edited, there are no last-minute tweaks required, and it's in the correct format for Vimeo. Having your video prepared in advance will make the process smoother and quicker. Next, you need to visit Vimeo's website. Open your preferred browser and head to vimeo.com. Once there, log into your Vimeo account. This is a straightforward step, just enter your credentials and you'll be in your dashboard in no time. Now direct yourself to the specific video page of the existing video you intend to replace. You'll likely find it by navigating through your list of uploaded videos. It should be in your library if you've uploaded it recently. Once on the video page, look for the settings option. Sometimes this might be represented by 3 dots at the top right corner of the video. Clicking here will open a menu with several options. In this menu, you should see an option labeled Replace Video. Clicking on this gives you the ability to upload your new video file. This part is crucial as it ensures that the URL and all the associated settings such as the title, description and privacy remain unchanged, which is exactly what we need when aiming to retain the original link. Go ahead and select your new video file. Vimeo will begin uploading this new version, and while it processes the file, keep in mind that you won't see the changes instantaneously. This replacement keeps the same URL and settings intact, so there's no need to worry about disrupting any links you've already shared. Once the upload is complete, Vimeo will process the new file. This might take a few moments depending on the file size, but once done, the new video will appear in place of the old one, all while maintaining the original link. How convenient is that? Lastly, feel free to review the title, description, or other metadata of your video. You can make updates if necessary to ensure everything aligns with the changes you've made. And there you have it. That's how you replace a video on Vimeo without changing the link. This method is particularly useful for content creators who frequently update their material but want to maintain a seamless viewing experience for their audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.